Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Ryan.
Hello, Mr. Teacher.
Okay. So today, we talk about something fundamental in Python. We introduce two functions. One is called zip. Yeah.
Zip.
What's zip?
Like what you have on your coat.
Yeah, you're on code and you zip. Yeah. And also similar, it's zip long list. Okay. So this is zip for shortest. Then we have a zip long list. So what's zip? Let's see. If A is 1, 2, 3, 4, a list. Okay. And then B equals 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's add one more element. So we have zip A, B. What does it return? Can you make a guess?
Zip AB.
Yeah, what does it mean? Zip.
6.
No, what does zip do? Can you make a guess?
Close it.
Can you make a guess? What's zip? The two sides meet each other, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So zip, you will return, it's a generator, which I will mention later, but eventually it will become like that 1, 5. This is a tuple, yeah? It's like a list, but it's immutable, immutable. You know what this means?
No.
Mutable, what does it mean? Mutable means the change, you can change it. Immutable means you can't change it, yeah? 1, 5, it's like a list. You can change it. You can say if this is A0 equals 2, then you can change it. What does this happen? When A0 equals 2, then you can change it, yeah? Yeah? But this you can't change it. When it's A15, you can't do this because it's immutable, okay? So
Why?
it's just the symbol. This is called tuple. T-U-P-L-E, tuple, means can't change. Okay, so 1, 5, comma, 2, 6, comma. What's next?
3, 7, comma, 4, 8,
Yeah, that's
comma.
it. This is an array of
5,
tuple.
9.
No, there is no 5. So this is zip. Do you get it? So you take one element from each, and then you put it as a tuple, a group.
Whee!
And then zip longest. Can you make a guess? What's the difference between zip longest and AB? What does it return? Look, there's
4, 8.
no 4A. We got a 4A here, but zip longest you will according to the max longest, which is
4, 9.
no. You're quite close. So eventually you will become a noun here because there's no element here. Yeah, then you will become a noun. 9. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, zip longest. You add one more element. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's implement these two functions. Okay.
You can do 9, 9.
Yeah. Then it's opposite, BA. If it's zip longest BA, then it's the long. Yeah.
Oh.
So like defined, let's do it zip function.
Zip.
A, B. So first of all, we want to learn the length, yeah? The length will become mean of these two, right? Length A and comma, length B. So now I will have this small list, yeah? And I can have this the answer if I convert it to a list, yeah? For I in range LA, right? Yes? Because small list, the answer dot append what? A tuple, yeah? You can another bracket and what? A, I, comma what?
A, I, comma, B.
B, I, yeah? Yeah? Another. And then return what?
Return answer.
Yeah. This is returning a list, but in Python, it's not returning a list. In Python, if you do it this way, it's not a list. You have to convert it because this is called a generator. So basically, we are not returning here. Because when we're returning, we are returning the entire list. This thing will return one at a time. So we remove this, and we don't need this. And we don't need this, but we are returning that. So we call another keyword called yet. What's yet? Why yet? So every time I give it, I give you one element. And then you can use it as, you can use this for I in zip, and then every time you give me a element. Okay, the longest. Okay, now the longest one. So I change this to longest. Yeah. What should I change here? M. Max. We're going to, but now we need to do this. Let's do it. AA equals what? In that AA equals AI if I smaller than length A else none, right?
Yep.
Yeah, because this I may be bigger than the length, then we have to put it as none. And BB equals BI if I smaller than length B else what?
Else.
What?
Return.
Else what? None.
None.
And then the same as yet. A
Yield.
yeah. That's it. That's the zip longest. You see? Yeah. Let's do the coding.
Yield A BB.
Yeah.
Double click.
Maybe do the coding. You'll be more clear. Yeah. Can you sit down, please? Can you sit there, please? Oh, no connection there.
No, it's a little bit blurry.
Yeah, that's very strange. So is it okay? No. Let me move this here. Okay. Take some more time. A little bit blurry. Oh yeah, let's clear. Let's very clear now. Yeah, it's very clear now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it now.
I need a cup of coffee.
Yeah. Look. Let's do this zip function first. Okay. Look. Zip. Let's get A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And B equals like 6, 7, 9, 8. Okay. Let's just do this, and then you tell me what's the. Then I can convert it to list. Okay, list zip A B. What does it return? 16278. Look, you see? Look, yeah.
Yeah.
But because the smallest length is B, yeah. Then I need to from iterate towards import because this function is in this library. Zip long list. Okay, now if I do this. Zip longest. What should I return? Will you return? What will you return?
5, 9.
Wait, it's still not very clear.
Is it 5, 9?
Wait. Better? Yeah, better. Okay. Let's make a guess. Okay. You see? It adds 1, 2 more elements. 4 none, 5 none, right?
Yeah.
We use none to fill the space. Yeah, correct? Okay. Okay, let's do this zip .py. Okay, let's implement this. A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B equals 6, 7, 8. Okay. Why is this still? Okay, it's blurry. It's okay. Okay, let's do this. Define my zip. Let's call it my zip. Okay. Just to avoid the same name. Okay. Look, let's do this. Length equals mean length A, length B. Okay, we got the smallest. Then for I in range LA, right? What YEILD, and then AI what?
B I.
Okay, let's do this. Let's see. Okay, so let's print my zip list my zip A B. Okay, and then we can print the same as the other side. Okay, list my zip BA. Okay, yes. Python zip. Yeah, does it make sense? Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Okay. Now the second function, which is my zip longest. Okay, so you tell me what to do. Okay. Define my zip longest AB. Okay, so what's that? A equals what? We instead of minimal,
Max.
yeah, max, and then getting the length of the
Length
A,
A.
length
Length B.
now the biggest. Then for I in range
Green.
LA.
Come.
Now we got AA equals if it's smaller AI.
AI.
If I smaller than length LA, right? Else none. And then it will be BB equals BI if I smaller than length B, else none.
None.
Le-
Yellow. AABB.
That's it. We're done. And then let's do this zip longest. Uh-oh. What's the problem? Can you make a guess? 9, 20, 15.
20 and 15.
Yeah.
Why the la?
What?
La.
The length A and length B. Okay, not length A. There's no A there, B. Okay. Yeah, that's a mistake. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see? Does it make sense?
The big blade.
What's the difference between zip and zip longest?
Zip longest uses none.
Yeah, to fill the space. Yeah,
Yeah.
empty space. And zip, you just have the smallest. Yeah.
Yeah.
Smallest length. Okay, so this is the function this is very important, useful function. So I let you see one more time, okay? Okay? Yeah, what's the complexity, term complexity, if we convert it to, we can convert it to,
You mean longest?
yeah,
N?
yeah, oh, and n is the length of the maximum of,
See?
yeah,
Everybody.
yeah, because if there are n elements in the longer list, yeah, whichever is the longer, which is could be A, could be B, yeah, which is the longest, okay?
Could be A and B.
Yes, okay. So if this yield is,
B.
do you understand this yield keyword?
Yeah.
If it's not a yield keyword, if okay, let us do this. Okay, look, if this is not a 1, 2, 3, okay, if B equals 1, and then if you do this A and B, you will have an object iterator because it's not a list, and then you have to tell it. For example, you have to tell it like for you can convert it to list, or you can do this for I in zip A B, and then you can print I. Do you need print I? Yes? Does it make sense? Yes? Yeah? When you're using the generator, you can put it in the for loop, okay? Otherwise, if you want to convert it to a list, you can do this. C equals list zip AB. And then C is the list, yeah? Got it? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, good job today. Turn on the lights and you can do a bit dancing, please. Can't see. Okay, bye bye. You turn it off, I can't see.